This is a video chart presentation of Perseus Mining Ltd. Perseus trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker PRU. Stock was in a pretty heavy downtrend coming into December, found a base around 20 cents, and has been steadily rising ever since, more than doubling in value, including highs up around 55 cents last month. You can see since consolidating from those highs, stock held a support level at an old resistance point and is now rolling back upward again. Closed up Thursday over 7.5%. Nice volume in the play, 1.7 million shares traded. With the rounded bottom that it's making through here, holding over top of the 20 and 50-day moving averages. It's a chart that looks like it's gaining steam again and potentially going to take out this top and continue this upward trend. MACD is pulled back down towards zero while the stock's been consolidating. Histogram bars moving back towards zero. With that, looks like another bullish cross is coming, holding over top of that zero mark. That's a key gauge for overall bullishness in the chart, and it's holding a long-term uptrend with the MACD, showing that that trend is strong. We also just recently got a bullish cross right there with the slow stow, now breaking back up through 50, showing that momentum is building in the chart. Money flow index certainly cooled off from highs, even broke back down below 50, but again, now on the rise. MFI 14 registering a 46. That's a pretty sharp move from the 20 it was registering just a few days ago, and it's signaling that people are starting to pay higher prices for the stock. This is a very nice look to the relative strength index. You can see essentially holding the upper half of that indicator now for the last 3 months, signaling that the bullish momentum has been sustained in this play. And even at this point, with the RSI 14 registering a 60, as it trends back up off the 50 mark, it's showing that momentum is again building in this play. So some very optimistic things going on with the indicators with regards to showing a strong trend and growing momentum. And what I'd look for from a support level is right through that area of 42, 43 cents. On any pullback, I definitely want to see that hold. There is some more support down here, but it's around 35 cents. And that's kind of breaking the idea of this overall uptrend. So it's going to be important for me to see this hold this 43 cent mark. Now, there's not a great deal of resistance in the way with the way the stock closed near 50 cents on Thursday. I think there is certainly a little bit there based upon the fact stock's only closed above that level one time in the last few months. And you can see it's bumped its head on it several times in the last 4 weeks. So we'll be watching to see if it can finally punch through 50 and to see if it can do it on an increased volume level, which will really get the indicators of trend and momentum pushing to much stronger levels. Now, it's going to face some more resistance at those highs right here at 55 cents. But again, that's a key breakout point for this chart to continue to hold this path and the upward trend it's been developing all year. I had to take a look at a different version of the chart in order to see where another resistance level may come in play. And that looks like it's going to be around 65 cents. But from current levels, that's a 30% move. It would certainly be making a high enough mark to sustain the overall concept of this growing channel. So those are the type of things that we'll be looking for in the PRU chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.